5 things to tell yourself every morning. Most people open their eyes in the morning and instantly lose themselves in the world. But the Stoics believed something powerful. If the morning doesn't belong to you, the day never will. Every morning, when you open your eyes, you stand at a crossroads. One path leads to reacting to the world, and the other path leads to choosing your mindset before the world chooses it for you. Stoic philosophy teaches us that the first 5 thoughts you repeat every morning shape the energy, the clarity, and the strength of your entire day. If your morning is centered, your mind becomes focused. If your mind is focused, your life becomes powerful. So here are 5 things you should tell yourself every single morning to build a mindset that cannot be shaken. 1. Whatever happens today, I will remain calm. The Stoics said, the real form of strength is inner stillness. When you repeat to yourself in the morning, I will stay calm in every situation, you give your mind a shield. Because the truth is simple. The world will challenge you. Stress will appear. People will test your patience. But your reaction is always your choice. If you start your day by saying, I will not let anger take over me. I will not react instantly. I will respond with clarity and wisdom. Your mind stays grounded all day. A calm mind makes better choices. Better choices build a better life. 2. What is not in my control, I release today. Every day, we waste so much energy thinking about things that are not in our hands at all. What people think, what they say, what may happen tomorrow, who supports us and who doesn't. Epictetus said, peace begins the moment you decide to stop worrying about things you cannot control. Repeat this every morning. I will invest my energy only in things that are in my control. This protects you from anxiety, overthinking, and emotional chaos. Remember, your circle of control is small, but your circle of peace can be huge if you choose it. 3. Today I will be better than I was yesterday. Stoicism is not about competing with others. It's about competing with your past self. Tell yourself every morning, I will not aim for perfection, but I will aim for progress. I will improve at least 1% today. This mindset keeps jealousy, comparison, and insecurity far away from you. Marcus Aurelius said, when you improve a little each day, you become unstoppable. Your calmness today, your discipline today, your small habits today, all shape your future tomorrow. 4. Gratitude will be my strength today. The Stoics believed gratitude is a superpower. Because when you wake up and realize you have breath, you have another day, you have a mind that can learn, you have a body that can move, you have the freedom to try again, your heart shifts from stress to appreciation. Say it every morning. I will be thankful today, even for the smallest things. Gratitude takes you towards abundance. Complaining takes you towards emptiness. 5. My goals are clear, and I will defeat distractions today. In today's world, the hardest thing to control is focus. The Stoics said, the mind is like a trained soldier, strong, sharp, but easily distracted if not given a direction. Tell yourself every morning, today my goal is this, and I will not allow distractions to be stronger than me. Your mind follows the path you give it. Your day follows the energy you start with. If you guide your mind in the morning, you win half the battle before the world even begins. Stoicism is not a heavy philosophy. It is simply the art of living with clarity. And if every morning you remind yourself of these 5 truths, I will stay calm. I will release what I cannot control. I will be 1% better. I will stay grateful. I will protect my focus. Then your day will not just improve, you will transform from within. because the first thought of your morning writes the story of your entire day. If this message touched your heart, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Your one comment inspires me to create more powerful content for you. Thank you for being here. Your growth matters.